Okay, I guess you're set. Okay, hi! Good evening everyone and welcome here at Cooking with Gigi. My name is Manan and I will be your sous chef for tonight. I'll be guiding you to the corner, so babe, if you have questions during the process, please raise your hand and wait for us to assist you. Oh, it's hot. Chef, it's hot pala. Okay, by the way, do we have a birthday celebrant here in this class?
Ali.
Oh, we have? Yeah, and? Where are you from? What is your name? Sorry, what? Sierra. Wow. Sierra. And? Samantha? Patay ko po ito first ni Kuya. Tanong, baby. Ano gusto mo? Lorky. Lorky. Say tayo, baby. What is your name, Fox? Daddy. Okay, sige. Take a photo. Ready? Come on, do your smile. Okay. Reverse, let's sing happy birthday to Kali and Shara. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, happy birthday, Kali and Shara. Thank you for celebrating your birthday here with us. What do you want to say to them, guys? Thank you for from Kali and Shara. Okay, big and blessing po. Okay, careful po, ha? Watch your step. Okay, because my question is, are you all ready today? Yes! Okay, let's begin. For the first step, get the bowl of your flour, the white powder. The white powder, pour everything on your table. And spread it with your clean hands. Okay? Spread it very well. For the next step, get the bowl of your dough, the brown dough. Get all of it and mold it into circles, just like playing your Play-Doh. There you go. Okay, flatten it, flip it over, so that the other side will be covered with flour as well. Make sure you collect okay, and now you may get your rolling pin. Roll your dough forward, backward, and leave it side by side. Make sure your dough is not too thick or not too thin, just the right size for your cookie cutter to fit in. And then you can check time to time if your cookie cutter fits already on your cookie dough. If that's not heat yet, continue rolling. Okay, now you may get your cookie cutter and make sure that the sharp's eye is facing on your cookie dough. This side. Okay, now place it on your dough. You need to press it hard. Shake it a little. Or you can use your rolling pin on top of your cookie cutter to just roll it gently. Don't smash it, just roll it gently. Okay, and please do not remove the cookie cutter yet. Instead, remove the excess dough from the outside. And there you have it, your very own gingerbread man cookie dough that is ready to be baked.
Dapat ko kasi yun.
Okay, now our mom to collect your dough. Smash it.
Did somebody say
Oh,
lunch,
Shrek,
guys?
you're there.
What's
What's the kitchen, guys?
Oh, come on, Gingy. Are you still sore about that Wii fire? It was an honest mistake. Who knew you weren't supposed to throw water on an oil fire?
Or put fire on gas here. Or still catch a bath water. Or throw bath water on your grandma when she's asleep. Or go to sleep when you're cooking grandma's
Ooh, that was a fun day.
Oh, it's a fun day, Shrek.
Well, what are you cooking
The
today?
gingerbread guys.
but it's better nasty. Rather something Shrek would eat.
Or something I did eat.
Wait a minute, is that you, Mother Fallon?
Better out of it in, I always say.
And I always say that's outside and inside. We got to fill that space for our time. We got to break.
Oh, yes, we don't mean that we are all friends here, right? Although that please don't do that. Turn it off, not the fan. You think it's on the fan? Turn it off the fan right now. Turn it off. Oh,
Well, I'd say Gingy probably got a fire.
that is so switch off the fan. Turn it off.
How we gonna tell this fight? We got to do something Shrek. I am not going back to jail.
It is done.
Calm down, Tony. We'll make icing.
Oh, wow, that's a good idea, Shrek.
Bigger and stronger than before.
Yeah, let's make it sweeter too. Less vinegar in our cookie frame. The old ginger is way too bossy.
Okay, bye guys. We are now looking out first. Let's move on to the next part of the class, which is the cookie decorating. As you can see, we provided you 2 colors of icings. Basically, you've got get the icings and the paper towel as well in front of you. And get one. The proper way to use your icings is to hold it from the top. Then squeeze it gently so that the icings will come out. Nicely, if you want to hold the base, squeeze a little amount on the fingertips and then place it. Okay, just a reminder, don't put it directly inside your mouth. It's a no-no, okay? Use your fingertips. Go ahead.
Kanta.
How was it? Is it what?
Sweet.
Tastes like what? Yummy. Okay, this is a preview for everyone. Did you know that here in this kitchen we have a magical oven that can make your cookies faster than the usual? All you have to do is to count with me from 10 down to 1. The louder that you count, the sweeter all your cookies will be. So let's start counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Excuse me. I don't mean to interrupt.
No, it's
But
okay.
can you tell me what you use to put out an oil fire?
What for?
No reason.
It's called, remember?
Right, I knew that. Carry on, just as you would if there wasn't an oil fire burning back there. Which there is.
Alright, let's be careful next time, Shrek. So now the first 18 your cookies is now ready. Are you all excited? Yeah. Okay. Oh wow, smells good. Okay, now viewers, here are all your cookies. Okay, viewers, once you see your cookies, you can start decorating. You can put eyes, nose, lips, or top of your front. And these, don't forget to make your gingerbread mask. Okay? So please be careful, it's hot. Start decorating po.
I'm really
Oh
not
guys,
getting
what
the
happened?
job news.
You're so
Gingy
messy.
is no longer with
Oh
us.
no, Shrek, is that for good?
Good save it.
You mean, if two of these gingerbread hearts just can't take it. Do you hear something?
Yeah, my mind working.
It's hot.
Since Ginger's no longer with us, maybe we can rename the place.
Let me guess. Shake Donkey?
Sorry,
I'm something more along the lines of Donkey's House of Waffles.
Start
Home of the
decorating.
world famous Donkey Waffle.
Nobody's going to want to eat something called a donkey waffle.
Donkey's with it.
You're the only donkey.
Exactly. I'm the target audience. Waffle sandwiches,
Waffle appetizers.
waffles, top of waffles, and for the dessert, muzzle parfait. You're out of my
Okay, cheers, and you're so pretty. Yeah.
I'm better than the shop cooking because it's over.
Oh no. This is emergency.
On behalf of everyone at Shady Ginger, we hope you had a nice time. Come and see us again soon. And remember, it's sometimes more fun on the way out than it is on the way in.
We're gonna waffle some pride, like a waffle inside of a waffle. It's genius. We're gonna make a ton of money. I'm telling you right now, this is the ticket track. This is our ticket.
Okay, gamers. Since the baking class is over, I will give you 10 more seconds to finalize your design. So are you on? Use the time twice each.
Yes na. Eh, sa akin.
10, 9, 8, 7, hurry up. 6,
Double mo.
5,
Bukan ka talaga natin. 3.
4, 3, 2, rock, and
Tatlo.
and 1. Okay, now viewers, hands up. May I see your hands? Look down, all of your icings. And on top, how about at the back? Up, up, up. Okay, and say Gingy. Okay, give yourself a round of applause for doing such a great job. Okay, great for everyone. Listen up. All of your cookies are edible. If you want to eat them, yes, you may. You can bring it outside if you want, but please don't forget to remove your aprons. And please put it back on the handle of our